One has served for 2 years. There's another one, hopefully, that he's going to serve for the next 3 years. Let us encourage each other. Let us pray for him. Let us support him, because we cannot be in opposition. We want to work with the government so that our people can benefit. Talking about healthcare, we are talking about education. Where can we get all these things if you are not in the government? And because His Excellency the President is the one who has appointed the first Deputy President, he's also the one who has appointed the second one. And you know, there was a lot of challenges even for the appointment of the first one. He chose him. You know, he's the one who has reasons why he has decided to change, and we are praying for them that God will give them wisdom that they're going to work for Kenyans. And now we focus on development and stop politicking. And I want to urge my fellow colleagues, let us now drop the politics and work for our people, because we only have 3 years to serve. Rainy season, so we encourage the farmers to go back to their farm and plant, because now God has opened the heavens and has blessed us with the rain. I want to touch on my horticultural bill, because there's a lot of propaganda on social media. And I want to tell Kenyans, please stop consuming things without and even commenting about things that you have not read. My bill has no charges at all. It is not charging any farmer at all. It is actually a horticulture bill that is talking about research, about marketing, about farmer empowerment, about even cushioning our workers who are in the flower farms. So traceability of fruits, like here in Murang'a, we have had challenges of avocados being stolen. So farmers are just registering to have a number without payment, so that if somebody steals your avocados, you have to go and account where did you get those avocados from. So traceability, you cannot be able to identify the farm that you got the avocados, then you know you are the one who is encouraging people to steal from the farmers. So it cushions the farmers, there are no charges.